Okay, so question number 3. Use the periodic table to write condensed electron configuration for A, cobalt, and Te, which I believe is tellurium. Yep, tellurium. Okay, so cobalt and tellurium. Okay, so when writing out the electron configuration, we first need to divide our periodic table into the different orbitals. Okay, so this is what it would look like. So our first two columns plus helium is known as the S block, and this green section here is the P block, and the middle transition metals is the D block, and the last two rows are the lactanides and actinides. Okay, so starting from hydrogen, we would move left to right across the periodic table, writing the row number followed by the block letter. And then in the superscripts, we can show how many electrons are in that orbital. So when we write the condensed form of the electron configuration, we would find the noble gas that comes before it. So in cobalt's case, it's argon. And then we would write that in square brackets. And then continue on writing the rest of the electron configuration. Okay, so argon, and then we move down to row 4 and write the block letter S. 2 electrons can fit in an s orbital, and then we count out how many electrons are in the d orbital up to the cobalt. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we write 3d7. Okay, so let's do the same thing for tellurium. The noble gas that comes before tellurium, which is shown here, atomic number 43, is krypton. And then writing out the remaining electron configuration, we write 5s2. And then you can see here that the F block is kind of inserted in the middle, but we don't have to worry about that since that's in the next row. And we would just continue on. Oh, tellurium's found right here, sorry. 52. So we have a full d orbital, 4d10, and then tellurium is found here, so we write 5p4. Yeah, it's kind of hard to read the letters, but I just found actual tellurium right here. Okay, so we have our two shortened electron configurations for these elements. And the junior tutor sums up how one would write a condensed electron configuration. And for cobalt, they got the same answer, argon 4s2 3d7, and tellurium was krypton 5s2 4d10 5p4. Okay, so this solution is correct.